What if the perfect Greek island escape didn't come with crowds, cruise ships, or cliches? Astypalea is the answer, a butterfly-shaped island in the Dodecanese that combines Cycladic charm with wild Dodecanese beauty. It's one of Greece's best-kept secrets, where every stone-paved path leads to breathtaking views and authentic island life. Start in Kora, Astypalea's dazzling main town, cascading down the hillside beneath a majestic Venetian castle. Whitewashed homes, blue-domed churches, and windmills whisper of Cycladic elegance, but look closer and you'll find touches of the island's unique identity. At sunset, the view from the castle over the Aegean will leave you breathless, especially when the light hits the bay and sets the sea ablaze with color. Wander through charming alleys and stumble upon cafes serving local-time honey and Riviera cheese. The pace of life here slows to something almost meditative. No blaring music, no rush, just the hum of island living and the scent of salt and wild herbs in the air. The beaches? Impossibly blue and blissfully quiet. Vatsis and Kaminakia are two of the most stunning, with calm waters and rustic tavernas that reward your journey. Many beaches require a bit of adventure either by boat or dirt road, but the reward is solitude and serenity. Think hidden coves, crystal clear waters, and sun-warmed rocks to lay your towel on. But there's more. Explore ancient ruins at the island's periphery, hike to hidden chapels tucked into cliffs, or take a boat to nearby islets like Canupa or Kautsimitis, where you can dive into surreal turquoise lagoons. Astypalea even leads Greece in sustainability efforts. Its quiet streets are increasingly filled with electric vehicles, making it a destination with heart and a future. If you've been dreaming of Greece without the filter, without the crowds, and without the noise, Astypalea may just be your island. So, would you choose this butterfly-shaped gem for your next adventure?